How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 mobile hotspot not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on your hotspot. If you can't find your hotspot option, then go back to your home screen and open settings and click on connections. Now click on mobile hotspot. Now here you can turn on your hotspot. After turn on your hotspot, then check your internet connection works properly or not. After check your internet connection, then scroll down and click on software update. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.